In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a document to yourself using Gmail. This is a particularly useful skill to have when you need a quick and easy way to transfer files between devices or just want to keep a personal backup of important documents. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Head over to the Gmail website and enter your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will make the process smoother. Now, look toward the top left corner of your Gmail page, and you'll see a button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click on that, and it will bring up a new email window. This is where you will draft your message to yourself. In the To field of your new email, you're going to type your own email address. This might feel a bit strange, but remember, you're essentially sending an email to yourself. As soon as you start typing, Gmail might suggest your own email address, especially if you've sent emails to yourself before. Click on it if it pops up to save some time. Next, move down to the subject line. Here is where you'll want to type something that will help you easily identify the document later, like backup of important document, or simply for myself. This will help you locate it quickly in your inbox. Now it's time to attach the document you want to email to yourself. Toward the bottom of the email window, you should see a paperclip icon. This is the attachment button. Click it to open a File Explorer window on your computer. Navigate to the location where your document is stored, select it, and then click Open. Give it a moment, and you should see the attachment appear in the email. That's all the setup you need. You can add a message in the body of the email if you'd like, but for this task, it's not necessary. When you're ready, hit Send. And just like that, the email with your document attached is on its way to your inbox. Lastly, to verify everything worked as expected, head over to your inbox and find the email you just sent. It may take a moment to appear, but once it does, you can check to ensure the document attachment is correct. Open the email to double-check if necessary. And there you have it, folks, a straightforward guide on how to email a document to yourself using Gmail. Keep this in mind for those times when you need to quickly send a file from one device to another, or when securing a personal copy of a crucial document. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.